Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. First of all, I would like to wish you happy Easter time or holiday time. Keep in mind that on Monday market will be closed, so basically we can expect less volatility, maybe even the whole next week, we will see. But it's good to prepare the charts and wait for some opportunities if market will create them. So that's why let's check what we might have. CADCHF first pair weekly time frame, as we can see. The price made this very strong move, is breaking right now 36 CMA. It's pushing up, so this might indicate that we can have a bigger move from the weekly chart. Previously, we discussed about possible bounces here, and we were waiting for breakouts in our live room. Now we have this breakout, price is pushing up. There was no continuation, so maybe this will be possible trend change. We will see. If we of course look for the weekly perspective, even monthly chart, if we go to monthly chart, you see price made already new lower low. Yes, so this is like a historical low for this pair. So what can happen now? Price, this is still very strong downtrend, of course very late, but we can maybe we'll get this retracement to the monthly 36 CMA and another reaction. We will see, or maybe this is the bottom and price will try to reach again those previous top. But this is very long term perspective. I just want to show you that basically I don't check monthly charts, but just to understand a little bit better price action. This is our trend line, which was broken. Resistance is up here. So now price is climbing up. This is next area. If price would like to go there, and next zone for me will be up here where price stopped, and of course then we have this level, but it's, we still have a lot of room to go there. So now price broke 36. If we go to daily chart, we see that it looks very interesting on the daily. Yes, we had a breakout of this trend line here, so we could look for what this was also possible daily long 1 to 3. However, we know that this is around the resistance area, but if you like aggressively, we had, you see this setup here, entry here, stop loss below. Now this will be winning trade, entry, stop loss around 35-40 pips. You see price went 130. So this was our aggressive trade because we are close to the resistance. Now we have confirmation from the weekly, so we can wait for retracement. We have very nice trend line here. We wait for the retracement back to the 36 CMA, back to the trend line. We look for buy scenarios. If we look for the daily area of the resistance, currently price is reaching 1. Okay, as you can see here, previous stops around the zone. The next one in between this current one and the weekly is up here. So this is next possible level. I prefer to remove it so it will not confuse us. We know that there is resistance, so of course a reaction continuation. And if we look for the lower time frames, we can still do intraday trading if possible. Yes, you have wait for the retracement back to 36 CMA because we don't have any trend line on the 4-hour time frame. This trend line is here, so right now it's not so relevant for me. So retracement back to the 36 on the 4-hour chart, long scenarios. And that's all. Yes, for now, I don't see anything else. I really want to wait for the retracements and buy. Euro yen is making double top. Now, as you can see, we have this spike, the real reaction. So, or we will get this retracement. Of course, our target is always first 36 CMA. There is also area of the support on the daily chart. Or we'll get deeper retracements. Then there is next area of the support is down here. Of course, there is still, I think, room to go up for this pair. As you can see, this is the next stop. And on the monthly chart, this is still very, very powerful up move. Also on the weekly, but everything is late here. If we go to daily, you see that price reacted right now around this zone and is retracing. So we can have a retracement where the first target is our trend line with 3 touches. So we expect for price to reach 36 with this. Then if we have long 1 to 3, we can still look for buy scenarios, target previous stop with this area. In case if price breaks, we know where price can go. If not, maybe we'll get like another top, and then price will react and decide to go down. We will see. Or price will react immediately and will start to push down. Then of course our weekly target is here, but we need to look for another area of possible daily level. It's somewhere around this zone. So we have two levels here. This will be of course decision level for me, and I'm waiting for price to be here, then long or short scenarios. But for day traders, we can also trade here because price broke already M12 on the daily. So this is for me information that we might to have possible bigger retracements. You see price also make lower high currently. Right now a little bit stopped here, but there is EMA crossover, so we really expect some moves, retracement, short scenarios, trade aggressive because this is against the main direction, but this is what you want to do here. So I would wait for price to break really this. Okay, so after this, if you start to have again lower lows, lower highs, I would look for sells. We have also trend line on the 1 hour chart, which is here, which is also more or less like a 4 hour chart trend line, you see. So if price, for example, will stop, there will be no continuation, yes, but we see that price will spike, play around. Then of course we will still be waiting for possible breakout of this area, but also this give us opportunity to still buy and even try to target this. Okay, so this is what we have. We will see. Right now seems it's trying to make bigger retracement. Euro dollar, no, weekly chart is still without direction. Definitely we are in the range, yes, between those two levels. We had this 1 2 3 here, but price didn't go up, so it's like, you know, a little bit tricky on the weekly chart. The daily chart, it's pushing down, so it started to move. The thing is that we have this trend line here, which is currently price on this one. We also have this level, so it starts to look like a possible wedge. We have this area of the support. There is also resistance up here. So now it's interesting because if it breaks this line, of course we can expect continuation to this zone, then maybe even to this. But if this line holds, we will have confirmation of potential wedge here, and then we will be looking for breakouts, or we will be trading inside. Now, no, difficult to say if price stops here, react and go up, or will just stop, retrace and break. Yeah, so you need to just pay attention where we are. Of course we still need to have retracement back to the 36 EMA to start to look to sell it again, and we will be targeting first this trend line with this bottom, and then we will see if price breaks, we have next level. But if price will make hesitation here, then you have to close your trades or at least achieve break-even or winning scenarios, and then whenever price starts to go up again, we will be looking to buy, and then we target this and we will be trading in this wedge. So this is what we can have on the euro dollar. Okay, so it's still interesting. If you go to 1 hour chart, you see we had this retracement. Now price is retesting this. Whenever price gain momentum, stays below, of course, retracements and sells. But if this area holds, then we can expect really move to this. We will see. This is what I see this for now. Let's go to GBPCAD. GBPCAD is reacting on the resistance. We have also next area of the resistance up here. If price decide to retrace, of course 36 EMA is our first goal. We have also very strong area of the support down here, so if price breaks that, definitely we can have possible 200 move. Daily chart is also interesting, like euro dollar, because you see we have this trend line. However, and now this will be interesting, or price will make double bottom here, will make reaction and will try to go up again, or we'll have breakout, price stays below, then we will be looking to sell this pair. In between, we have daily support zone around this level here, and we also have this trend line here. So if we go to lower time frames, we have this, we have those two lines. We also have for day traders, we have this line here. So if price breaks, yes, we'll make lower lows, then we will wait for the retracement. We will be looking to trade with the possible short 1 to 3 here. Then we will be targeting this. This will be entry also on the 4-hour chart after daily trendline breakout. So this will be a very nice option. If price stays here, okay, if this is just false breakouts, then intraday traders can look for breakout of this area, then look for buys, target this. Whenever price breaks this line, we can expect for price to reach the resistance. Okay, so this is what we have currently on GBPCAD. If I go to lower time frames, of course, there is another way. We can look for retracement, 5-minute, 1-minute entries, target previous bottom for real scalpers, if I can say like that. Yes, for the momentum traders. This is what we have here. If you are not interested, keep in mind that we have this trend line here around this zone. It just moved because it's MT4. Just wait for price to get out from this area here or here, and then you buy or sell. USDN still on the resistance. We see that it's holding on the weekly. Of course, whenever price decide to make bigger retracements, this is our next level where price might to go 36. Together with this trend line, if we look for support area, it's also close to this zone. If we go to daily chart, we see that how price is struggling right now around this resistance. We have this trend line, which is also our target whenever price decide to make this retracement. Right now it's struggling, so we will see. If we go to 4-hour chart, now it's quite obvious what we have. We are in the range. So this is very nice opportunity. Don't trade here because range is basically 70 pips, not so big, but there is no momentum at all. So really, pay attention for breakout here or breakout of this. If price breaks that, then of course we'll be trending in the retracement where 36 is our target trend line. Whenever this is broken, we can expect for price to move lower. This is also daily support zone. For me, there is another area. No, for me, this will be right now. So we wait for breakouts patiently. We don't go here. We don't try to trade here. Of course, it's still possible. Yes, I'm not saying it's not, but it's not moving. Yeah, so in my opinion, it's better to wait patiently for some movement and then try to simply or buy or sell. Yes, if you want to trade with the movement of the 20 peps, no, this will be very, very difficult. Yes, yeah, because you don't even have good targets. Okay, so keep in mind about that. Yes, don't jump in because you see, let's say, 1-hour chart 1 to 3 here. Yes, because there is no volatility. Okay. So this is USDN, and the last, of course, is gold, and it's pushing up. So it's quite interesting because it's making new historical highs. It was already making, but we had this stop. Now you see monthly chart pointing up, weekly chart pointing again up. So there was no bigger retracement. Daily chart strongly pointing up. Of course, it's obvious after each retracement we will be looking for buys, but right now it's climbing up. So basically what we need to see. Last time we said about this breakout, as far as I remember, and price broke it. Yeah, retrace. There was, I think, no option to enter this on the lower time frames. You see, this was very strong move. So we didn't have chances. Then price broke it. Make another. Make this, higher. Make this higher high, higher low still, you see. Yes, so you see that this was broken. So basically what we were looking for was to try to jump in, and we had opportunity, which was not easy to spot. Yes, but basically we had this option if we want to enter this on the 1-hour chart. So this was our 4-hour chart 1 to 3 plus 1-hour chart 1 to 3. there was also this opportunity to enter, yes, but it's if you enter in this case, no, I always prefer to lower the risk because this is funny setup. But you have also this trend line, so price was, you see, making higher lows. Okay, also make this, so we have like two options of take this. Right now what we need, of course, is to get a retracement where back to the 36 EMA, and we can still buy this, but keep in mind that all buys right now will be very late, because you see daily chart is pointing up strongly, 4-hour chart also. So retracement 1-hour chart longs or bigger retracement, this is more or less like a 4-hour chart trend line, not 1 hour. Retracement back to the 36, you still buy. So it's still for me very very steep and good to buy. Aggressive traders, of course, because I know that some of you like to scalp, do day trading. As long as price is pointing up so far and we are far away from the 36, if it stays like this after breaking of this 15-minute trend line, okay, with the 36 EMA, you can look for selling opportunities and target 4-hour chart. Sorry, not 4-hour chart, but 1-hour chart 36 EMA. So this is also an option if we want to trade against this whole move. If you want to simply, if you are impatient to wait for the retracement whenever price breaks 15-minute trend line, short scenarios target 1-hour chart 36 EMA, because simply right now it's too strong to look for those opportunities right now. We will see next week. It seems that, you know, this candle closed yesterday, so basically we see this move here. I think after news, we had news yesterday from US, but basically you see price was struggling, and then at the end of the day we get this very strong candle. So I'm interested if this will be continuation or this is just false and price will go down. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, I wish you happy holidays and happy Easter time. Keep in mind that Monday is free, so we also can get less volatility. I wish you all the best and hear you soon. Bye.